A huge electric generator was installed on the footpath opposite Pedro Fernandes' music shop Panjim for some days. Herald, the voice of Goa, carried a story on how the illegal installed generator was causing inconvenience to the people, especially senior citizens. Thereafter, Herald TV video journalists went to inquire why the generator was installed on the footpath. Those responsible promptly removed the generator. Watch this story. A huge electric generator was installed on the footpath opposite Pedro Fernandes' music shop for some days in Panjim.
This is a gross violation of High Court orders where it is clearly mentioned that the footpath should not be encroached. So this is causing great inconvenience also to the pedestrians, persons with disabilities and senior citizens who are passing by, who are using the footpaths, who are living in this neighborhood. So we are demanding that CCP immediately takes action and removes the generator at the earliest.
Prasad Polji for Herald TV.